Student, I am Varun Kumar going to teach you Information Technology of Class 9, Chapter 1, Session 1, that is Introduction to IT and IT Industry. In this chapter, we are going to read or study the risk of BPOs, the benefits of BPOs, business process outsource BPO, what is IT and ITs, what is role of IT and ITs, information technology enabled service, that is also a type of ITs. The IT and ITs sector play a vital role in Indian economy. This unit will describe the role of IT and ITs in various fields. Various sectors in Indian film depend on the IT and IT enabled service to be more efficient and productive. Information technology (IT), the study or use of systems, especially computer or telecommunication devices like computer, telephone, mobile phone, etc., for storing, retrieving, and sending information. It include all type of technology used to deal with information such as computer hardware and software technology used for creating, storing and transferring information. IT is considered to be one of the most important part of any business. IT helps a business in many ways, like it help in reaching more potential customer, developing a business relationship with customer, maximizing profit and minimizing waste. How computer works. Computer is a dumb machine. It produces output on the basis of input. When we are going to put a information in the form of data via mouse, keyboard and other electronic device, then computer is going to process our information according to our input, and then it's give a information as a output as a soft copy as well as hard copy in which we desired our result. Now we are going to see the animation to understand the working of computer.
The computer may seem like a very complicated machine, but it basically does four simple tasks. 1. Input. 2. Process. 3. Store. And 4. Output. Input means to put in or into, and that is exactly what an input device does. An input device enables one to communicate with the computer. Input devices are used to enter information and issue commands. Examples of input devices are the keyboard, mouse, scanners, video cameras and microphones. Information received from the input devices will then be processed in the Central Processing Unit, or CPU, for short. The Central Processing Unit's job is to process instructions, perform calculations and manage the flow of information through a computer system. The CPU not only communicates with the input devices, but also the output and storage devices to perform tasks. A storage device holds information. For the computer to receive instructions about what processing is to be done to the information, it must be held inside the computer long enough to be acted upon or processed. A hard drive, tape drive, are storage devices. The computer uses information stored on these devices to perform tasks. After the information has been processed, or the necessary tasks completed on the information, it will be outputted to you. The output device enables a computer to communicate with you. These devices display information on a screen, create printed copies or generate sound. Some of these devices are the monitor, printer and speakers.
Information technology enabled services, ITs. There are many type of business that are considered as a BPO and that are using IT service, like we can use the IT enabled service in recoordination, closing and reporting, business transformation, operations, sales and marketing, financial accounts, voice, non-voice, technical help desk, back office support, FP&A, and HR administration. Electronic enabled service improve service standard and reduce cost. ITs offer a single delivery mechanism integrating various services to its end user. These services may include customer relationship management, medical transcription data entry, and a data processing, software development, data warehouse, IT help desk, service enterprises, resource planning, and telecommunication services. Now we are going to understand what is BPO, which stands Business Process Outsource. We are going to understand with the help of an example. Suppose that we are hiring someone for doing our household work and we are doing another work in an office. That is also a type of BPO. When any company outsource business performance to outside service provider, that is also called as a BPO. They are highly organized and professional skilled to perform a specific task like hiring. They are skilled and very organized at hiring people for a company. India is a hub of various BPO services. Some example are financial accounting service, taxation and insurance service, e-publishing and web promotion, legal service and content writing, multimedia and design service, document management service, software testing and healthcare care service. These all type of sector are using a business process outsource to improve their company performance. The benefits of BPO. First, we are going to discuss a financial benefit. BPO provides a business process at lower cost. We are going to understand how this is going to happen. We can understand that suppose you have any vital information that you are able to sell in the market, and there are two or more people wants that information, then you can sell that information to two or more people, and they are going to use that information and they pay you for that. It's so the financial benefit to a company as well as you. Second is flexibility. BPO provide great flexibility to changing market and needs adjust to the environment. Third is competitive advantage. BPO allow organization to focus on their main target and take the process that are not core to them and do it very professionally, efficiently, qualitatively in a competitive environment. We are going to discuss now the risks of BPO. In BPO, there are risks are very few in comparison to their advantage, but we are going to discuss it. Suppose that first risk is security breach. We have any information, BPO contain any information, and you want to know that information, and somebody hack that information from another body, then it is called as the security breach. Second is relationship challenges. In organization can face communication problem like what to share and what not to share with BPO, and in that case company have to face a critical situation in which they may have to take a important decision, otherwise they are going to lose their information.